Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Well, you know, I will quote a great campaign strategist, the great campaign strategist before me who helped build the industry also. Magandang gabi po, Tito Paul Aquino, whose very, very famous words, I'll never forget, Tito Paul, who told me when I was a very young man, Alan, there's only two ways to win an election. You make them laugh or you make them cry. So, hindi hadlang yon kung ikaw ay isang drama king o komedyante, baka nakakadagdag pa yon. Siguro wink wink nudge nudge, ano na lang natin yan, mag-text na lang tayo dyan. I think maybe that's a phenomenon worth examining. Bakit yung mga action star lang ang tumatakbo? Bakit? Baka naman dahil may ibang rason. Baka dahil to take on a drama role or to take on a comedy role maybe requires more. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to fill in those blanks, but baka it's not a coincidence that run. And I'm not saying it has anything to do with winnability. No, because I'm sure in the past, kung tumakbo the Dolphy example is always the best example that we always use, di ba? Ang yumaong king of comedy natin, si Dolphy, na sinabing, pag tumakbo ako, siguradong mananalo ako. Pero ayokong tumakbo dahil baka manalo. I'm hoping you heard in the past that only 3 types of candidates win in the Philippines. Yung tinatawag nating head candidate, heart candidate, or gut candidate. So, ano yung gut candidate? Unahin natin yung gut candidate dahil yan po ang pinaka binoboto sa Pilipinas. A gut candidate is somebody na pag nakita mo, ang isisigaw mo, idol! Andiyan na si idol! Magse-selfie ka, magkakagulo ka, tatakbo ka, titingin-tingin ka, yung mga babae nagtitilian, yung mga lalaki nag-fist bumpan. So you think of politicians and you think who fits into that gut framework. Maybe it's not GMA, for example. She's not a gut candidate, but you contrast that with a Robin Padilla. Definitely is a strong gut candidate. The next is a heart candidate. Kaisa natin to, relatability. He is one of us. Alam nito, pinagdadaanan namin. Parang kapamilya ko lang to, parang kakilala ko to. You think of former Vice President Jojo Binay, di ba? Who leveraged greatly on that. Di ba? Na he looks like the common man, he acts like the common man, behaves like the common man. Finally, yung head candidate, yan ang pinaka hindi binoboto ng Pilipino, sadly, is the utility play. Tingin ko may plano ito, may magandang programa, makakatulong sa buhay ko, makatutulong sa kinabukasan ng pamilya ko, sa livelihood ko. So head, heart, and gut. Napakalungkot po, I don't make the rules. I merely examine trend analytics and historical data. Sadly, the head candidate may hangganan. Rarely do they ever make pure head candidates, rarely ever go past Congress. Yung gut candidate, hanggang Pangulo yan. 1 million%. In fact, that is ingrained in their name. Si Idol Rafi at si Idol Erwin. Idol talaga. Again, my common example in good evening, Secmar, one of the people I admire the most. No, good evening, Secretary Mar, and good evening, Abby, Attorney Abby, boss. But you know, my example is always that when Mar Rojas goes into a restaurant or walks in a mall, the instinct is not to freak out and to run to him and buy him a beer or buy him lunch. No. But there's a reverence. Pag nakikita mo, ay, nandyan si Senator Mar or si DILG Secretary Mar. Contrast that to a Robin Padilla or a Tulfo na talagang wala. Nagtitilian ng mga tao. People are standing up on their seats just to catch a glimpse. PRRD is a great example. Si former President Rodrigo Duterte. Both a gut and a heart candidate. Alam mo, because of the way that it was handled, this campaign was handled, he became a heart candidate He's the downtrodden guy na inape ng mapang-aping dilawan at mapang-aping oligarchs who is now set to reclaim the lost glory. You know, it's a typical Filipino story of inape ako dati, dapang-dapa ako, pero bukas luluhod ang mga tala at ako'y maghihiganti at magiging pangulo. And because of his association with VP Inday Sara, nasamahan ang gut. Nagkaroon ng strong gut sensibility yung kanilang unit team. So kaya diyan ang kasunod po niyan, yung head, heart, gut. Ang role po namin sa mga nasa industriya namin, yung E3. So you need to be exceptional in one, you need to enhance the other one. So for example, strong gut candidate ka na. Ano ka na? Idol ka na ng buong Pilipinas. So exceptional ka na doon. Try to enhance your being a heart candidate. So try to show them na nakikiisa ako sa iyo. I know your struggles. I know your wants, needs, and aspirations, Filipino people. And then the last E is equalize. Kung ano yung weakness mo, equalize mo. So ang nangyayari dyan, like in the case of President Erap, President PRRD, ang ginawa nila, best and the brightest. I will hire the best and the brightest cabinet members and advisors and officials to guide me and to run my government. So na-equalize yung kanilang perceived, whether real or not, kakulangan sa head. So I'm not saying kulang. Again, please don't splice that video po. Baka maraming mag-splice at sabihin na sinabi ni Alan Herman kulang sila sa head. Head po is a technical term in this discussion. Hindi ko po sinasabing wala silang head. I would rather, honestly, if you're asking me winnability as a campaign strategist, what's my layup? What's the low-hanging fruit for me? We always start with gut because we're talking about Filipino voters. You can sell a bridge to Filipino voters, and look, we've done it. We've done it, man. It's happened. It's happened. Filipino voters will buy anything you sell them. Sadly, I'm also a Filipino voter. Hindi na nanalo yung mga binoboto ko, but it is what it is. Such is democracy, warts and all. Makinarya ang labanan ngayon, especially on a midterm election. That's a referendum on the current administration. In this political climate, nag-aaway yung red versus green. Ang daming mga seismic collisions na nangyayari sa ating Marcos and Duterte camp. Ang gulo-gulo. Your showbiz star power. Tama ka. Coco Martin is a great example. Senador, mahirap. But I'm telling you this, pag si Coco Martin, good evening, Coco Martin, pag si Coco Martin nagtayo ng party list na Batang Quiapo party list or party list na nakapangalan sa kanya, One Coco, I don't know, man. Yeah, panalo yan. If he runs for local, panalo yan. Panalo yan. Ako, bibigyan ko siya ng idea. Sir Coco, mag-ano ka na lang. Mag-party list ka na lang. Huwag mo nang isipin na tumakbo na sa local kung saan mo iniisip tumakbo. Huwag na yon, boss. Magkakasamaan lang tayo ng loob. Joke. It is a stigma, but only a stigma to a very select few. You're talking about a very, very small percentile of the population. Most will always see it as, again, the formula is not stigma versus qualifications. The formula is ATC, awareness to choice. So, whether you like it or not, pag artista ka, 50% of the fight is done.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.